Once upon a time, there used to be three close friends. They always used to be together. And they always used to eat and play together. Nobody ever knew what happened to them suddenly. A small dispute made them quarrel. And they never met each other again. I'm Raju, Golconda Raju. This is the fort of Golconda where tourists pour in, and I work as a guide here. My education fetched me this profession for me. I roam behind tourists and ask them if they need any help of mine. As usual, I found a group of tourists who came to make a documentary film on Golconda Fort. And it was a very nice experience working with them, as they are a group of very inquisitive people. They are a group of arrogant people, but still I found it flexible to work with them and explain them everything regarding the fort. I explained them in detail everything regarding the fort, and they found very comfortable with the details I gave. And their documentary is likely to be successful. Everything was fine till I recognized something. Suddenly I found two of them to be my childhood friends. We departed long back. I think they didn't recognize me yet, or maybe they don't have any need to recognize me. We were all sane in our childhood, but they are now literate, well settled, and cosmopolitan citizens. And I'm a poor, illiterate guy. I understood something, that these people are not very much interested in me or my intentions. They never like me sit next to them and even speak to them more than what I'm supposed to. I mean, exactly more than what I'm paid for. I'm just supposed to explain them what is necessary to them. And I slowly went down my memories. The reason for our dispute was very trivial, yet my friends left me then. I miss them a lot. Even when they are near to me now, I feel that we are separated by broad walls called riches. I mean the discrimination of the rich and the poor. The broken relics of this fort reminded me of our broken relationship. We played here, spent time together here, and even fought here. I wasn't able to tell them what all I felt. I don't want to get humiliated, and I literally don't want to humiliate a term called friendship. If riches are the only reason for my fate, I curse my poverty. I wish man should always remain as a child, for only children are innocent enough to be two friends forever. It's completely true that broken knees in childhood are far better than the broken feelings now. They paid me a handsome amount for the work I did, but they can never pay me for the sorrow I experienced. The two people on the extreme left are my friends. and now they found a new company. I'm happy that I at least saw them after 10 years. These memories are enough. I find many tourists here, but these are very special ones to me. At some point of life, all the relations should end. And this is an end for my friendly relationship, but not my memories. One philosophy of life is absolutely true. Come what may or go what may, life should go on and on. I constantly question this world. Tell me why. Why does money decides all the relationships on this earth?